Welcome back to HABIT 9, and today we got some cards. We're getting into that. So today, later in this video, we are going to be opening this right here. The Donruss 2022 Franco stuff. And then we did pick up some cards that Alex Bregman points.
Did you think that Donruss box was heavier than some of the others, so it might have had some better cards in it?
No, this is heavy.
It's a heavy one, so.
And then we did pick up the price. J.P. Crawford, 1 of 8 on the back right there for only $10. What a crazy thing. Gold and black, J.P. Crawford.
And who had been in the card show yesterday?
What?
Who had been in here? Show your face.
So at that card shop, you all might know it, Dude Perfect was there. So we went to the show, it was here. We got autographed balls by them. And then we picked up the case there to put the ball in. We might show that later in the video. And that's all. And we'll see you later. So we're back at the house with the stuff that we got. And let's get opening.
All right, let's get opening. Donruss 2022. And what's the card you want most out of this pack? Wanda Franco.
Cookies.
Okay. How many packs come in there? Ooh, okay. So 6 big packs. Okay. 15 cards in each pack.
Got this at Academy Sports.
Yep. We want to be careful as we're opening them, not to damage any of the cards. Oh, see a Vlad on the bottom. That's an awesome bonus card right there.
That's what every pack has.
Vlad on the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay, can you bring him up here so the camera can show?
Jordan Alvarez, another Shohei, and then
Ooh.
silver.
Is that worth a lot, the Marvel one?
And
who's that? Oh, you got a Shohei?
Purple.
Shohei purple. Okay, so here's kind of our bummy cards, it looks like.
There's some are good.
What about Diamond Kings? Is that one worth? Okay. All right, opening the new one.
Darvish, Dad.
You Darvish?
Vladdy, Boba.
Another Vladdy?
And a Boba Fett.
Boba Fett.
Yeah.
Any autos?
O'Neal Cruz, he's a good rookie.
Oh, rated rookie. Okay.
O'Neal Cruz, Dad. He's
Oh,
good.
yeah.
Trout.
Ooh, we got a Mike Trout. Okay, so we're going to have to look these up, figure out, maybe we'll do a third video with kind of how much some of the cards are worth. What do you think? So these are just kind of the random cards here. Aaron Nola, like that guy. Juan Soto, Diamond Kings. What about Riley Adams? Is he good? Another rated rookie. Juan Soto, he's a stud.
Another good rookie.
Oh, we saw him.
Yeah.
We saw him when we were at the baseball game. Brandon Marshall. Remember we saw him? He came by. He had the long hair, and someone was saying they got his gloves from the night before.
Yeah, Brandon Marshall. And then I did get a Arnold out of that too. And this guy.
Ooh, who's that?
Mickey.
Never heard of him myself. Okay. Kyle Schwarber, you got a George Brett. Lou Brock. Another red rookie. Stan Musial, no big deal.
Dog.
Yeah, that's her dog running around.
Never heard of him.
Oh, is that the rookie who's so good?
Who? Where?
Witt. He was on the cover of Sports Illustrated. So no autos yet.
Yeah. Oh, we got a numbered card out of it.
Okay, what's our number card? Who is it?
Out of 75. 8 out of 75. This guy.
Okay. This one right here.
Last time we pulled it out of 46.
So where do you see that it's a numbered card?
Has the numbers.
I don't
And I
see.
got this. He's okay.
Where? It just. Oh yeah, I see on the front. Okay, I got you now.
Not in the good book.
Okay. Is this our last pack?
Mm-hmm. Ooh, that I saw something on the back top.
Saw something on the back.
Yes. Not to go too crazy.
Not to go too crazy. Uh-oh.
Alonso, Smith, Manny Machado, Rudy Wilson, Fernando, but not
Come on, tell us who.
right here.
Ooh, Bomb Squad. That's pretty sick.
There's another one.
All right, so we need to look some of these cards up, and then we'll kind of repost here in a little while with what our best pulls were, maybe.
Well, I'll show you them right here, and we don't know the price of them, but yeah.
Okay.
So they are all right here. The stack.
Okay.
Bomb Squad, you got the numbered, Sparkles, Bryce Harper purple, Ronald purple, Mike Trout, Shohei.
I really like that Marvel.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, we'll be back.